Hello lovely people from this channel. So today we're highlighting something a bit different. Nice rainy day outside, so we have a break in the summer from the summer heat, all overcast and raining nicely. So I wanted to show you the new Crocs I have, and not just to brag with new shoes, but to say that these Crocs, in my humble opinion, are the best dog training and dog owner shoes ever, and I tell you why. First of all, during summer, especially in winter, you can wear them with socks as well, but in summer they're nice and air shoes, so your feet will stay nice and cool. Also, the soles are with this massage inlay and this sculpting to support the foot's arch, so it's quite comfortable and it just feels good to wear them, walk around in them. But more importantly, if you got little creatures like this one, and not so little, this creature here, with their big, strong paws and claws, and don't underestimate this one's little claws, they can be quite sharp if they dig into your toes, and you have dogs stepping on your toes by accident. I mean, I don't try to do that by design, but by accident, and you have a sandal that is open here, that can hurt a lot in the foot, as many of you will know. So having these shoes gives a nice protection for the foot here, and you can also teach your dog to retrieve your sandals for you. When you come home, say, teaching your dog to bring them to you, like Mikey here knows how to do, is quite practical. They can grab them without messing up the fabric, and more more refined shoes that are not that sturdy. So there's not a lot of goop and saliva then sticking to your shoe. Here you can wipe anything like that off quite quickly. You can put those under garden hose and rinse them. Super easy to clean, and yeah, they're totally my favorites when it comes to just hanging out with dogs here and enjoying life, both indoors and outdoors, by the way. Those are great for both, and I just use them all through the day. And even going out of town, I still use the Crocs because they're just most comfortable. And people wear them with even summer dresses and stuff. I'm not into high heels because I strongly believe into foot wellness and foot care and foot health. But these are also, if you look at here, the front part are wide, very wide, so that gives your toes plenty of room to be and to breathe and to expand in summer, because the foot expands when it's hot. So I love Crocs, best shoe ever in my opinion. So it's just my 2 cents on it. Wishing you guys an amazing day. Talk to you soon.